students, this is Sudhir and welcome back to the maths class, and today we will understand about the estimated sum once again. Okay, there is a one question on page number 30. ठीक है, आपके पेज नंबर 30 पे there is a question, estimate each sum and also find the exact sum. Okay, we have the problem regarding this question. कुछ बच्चों को problems आ रहा है, that's why we will solve this question and then we will proceed towards the next topic, and the next topic is horizontal addition. Okay, then we will proceed towards the word problem. We will solve two word problem and rest of the question, that means two questions we have to solve, and then we will proceed towards the subtraction properties, then subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping and so on, estimated difference. ठीक है, so let's solve this question. This question is present on page number 30. ठीक है, it is available on page number 30. So look here, what we have to find out in this question, it is a estimated sum and exact sum. What we have to find out? We have to find out the estimated sum as well as exact sum in this question. Okay, so there are three questions. This is your first, this is second one, and this is your third one. Okay, now look here, there is a column. The first column consists of questions. Okay, first column में आपके questions है. Here we have to write down the rounded numbers. ठीक है, we know that if you want to find out, we know that if we want to find out the estimated sum, then we have to first of all round up the numbers. That means we will round up the numbers, then we will find the sum. Okay, हम लोगों को जब भी estimated sum find out करना होता है तो हम लोगों को पहले numbers को round up करना होता है, उसके बाद हम लोग उसका sum निकालते हैं. So here we will round, ठीक है, here we will round up the numbers. हम लोग यहाँ पर round up करके यहाँ पर लिख देंगे and then we will find out the estimated sum find out करेंगे जो numbers round up होकर के यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं, and the exact sum तो बहुत easy है. If we want to find out the exact sum, so we will take the number as it is, that means we will take the number which is given to us and we will directly add. ठीक है, estimated sum निकालने के लिए हम लोग numbers को round up करते हैं, फिर आप उसको sum करते हैं, and for the exact sum there is no need to round up the numbers, just take the numbers and add them. Okay, so let's check a first question, and the first question is 56 plus 72. Okay, कौन सा number है? 56 plus 72. Now side में देखो, towards the right hand side there is a nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. That means what? This is indicating that we have to round up the numbers to the nearest 10. ठीक है, हम लोग को इन दोनों numbers को nearest 10 में round up करना है. 315 and 425, ये दोनों के दोनों numbers 100 के सीरीज में जा चुके हैं. That means there is a digit, है ना, इसमें एक digit है जो कि 100 प्लेस पर है, but here there is no any digit which is at the 100 place, there is 0, है ना, तो हम लोग nearest 10 ही निकालेंगे. This 425, there is a digit, yes, at the 100 place, but 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, except 0. Okay, so we will round up the numbers to the nearest 100. Here 3892 and 5380, these two numbers are in the series of 1000. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 1000 के ऊपर digits है, so we will round up the numbers up to the nearest 1000. Okay, the instruction is given to you. अब हम लोग इसको round up कर देते हैं. Now look here, it is your 56. क्या है? 56 है. Now we will round up the 56 को हम लोगों को round up करना है. So we know that we are finding nearest 10. Yes, हम लोग nearest 10 find out कर रहे हैं. So there is nearest 10. So which is 10th place? This is your 10th place. So we have to observe the digit before the 10th place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then it becomes rounded up. So there is 6. अब 56 जो है, 56 is in between the 50 and 60, but 56 is close to 60, and that's why 56 will round it up. 56 rounded up होके हो जाएगा 60. Understood? Then we will write down the sign of addition. Now 72. 2 is there. 2 is a weak number, and that's why 72 is rounded down. 72 का rounded down होके हो जाएगा 70. Okay? मैंने इन दोनों numbers का nearest 10 find out करके बीच में addition लगा दिया. Now we have to find out the estimated sum. Okay, and if we want to find out the estimated sum, what we have to do? We have to add the numbers which is rounded off, जिसका rounding off हो चुका है. So 60 plus 70 we have to add, and this gives us 7 to the 7, 7 to the 14, that is 140. but यहाँ 7 नहीं है तो ये आएगा 130. Okay, the estimated sum is 130. just add 60 and 70, you will get 130, and that is your estimated sum, because we know that राउंडेड ऑफ नंबर्स से हमको एस्टिमेटेड सम मिलता है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द एग्जैक्ट सम. अब हम लोगों का एग्जैक्ट सम भी फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट द एग्जैक्ट सम? आई टोल्ड यू दैट इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट और इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एग्जैक्ट सम, टेक द नंबर्स एज इट इज एंड एड इट. ओके, सो नंबर हमारे पास 56 प्लस 72. सो 56 प्लस 72, दिस गिव्स अस 8 एंड 7 प्लस 5 गिव्स अस, ओके, ओह सॉरी गलत हो गया, 12. इट इज 128. ओके, सो इट इज 128. ओके, इट इज करेक्ट. Okay, so first question is solved. Now look at the second one, 315 and 425. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will find the nearest 100 of 315. 315 का हम लोगों का क्या निकलना है? Nearest 100. Okay, now look here, this is your ones, tens and the 100. ठीक है, जब भी हम लोग nearest 100 की बात करते हैं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Nearest 100 means what? The place which is just near to the 100 place, and that is your tens place. Now we have to observe the digit at the tens place. If here is 5, अगर आपके tens place पे 5 है, यानी कि what? अगर ये दोनों नंबर्स को आप देखते हो, wait, 315. Observe the digit at the tens place. If it is 5 or more than 5, then it will be rounded up, or you can observe these two digits. If here is 5, अगर tens place पे 5 रहा, so that means the number formed by tens place and the unit place is 50 or more than 50, because अगर यहाँ पर 5 रहा तो अब वो नंबर 50 या तो 50 से बड़ा ही रहेगा, then it will be rounded up. So here is not a 5, so it will rounded down. Okay, that means 315. So we will write 2 zeros, 0 and 0, and 3 will be as it is because it is rounded down. Okay, so 315 का rounded down हो जाएगा 300. Understood everyone? Do more and more practice of round nearest 100, nearest 10 and nearest 1000. Okay. Okay. Now addition. 425. 425. We have to find out the nearest 10. So those 0 है. Write down 20 as it is. Now this 2 does not have any power to push 4 because यहाँ पर 2 है, tens place पे 2 है. 5 होना चाहिए था तो फिर 5 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए था. We need 5 or more than 5, then only the number will rounded up. So 425 will rounded down, and that's why we will write 4 here. So 425 is present between the 400 and 500, but 425 is close to 400, and that's why it is rounded down to the 400. Understood? Okay. So now add 4, 5, 6, 7. So estimated sum is 700. Estimated sum कितना होगा? 700 होगा. But exact sum is not a 700 or maybe 700, whatever. So just check it out. What is, if you want to find out exact sum, take the numbers as it is. 425. Okay, now add 5 plus 5 gives us 0, 1. Here is 4. Here is 7. Okay, this is 740. Now look this question. 3892. Which number it is? 3892. We are finding nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. ठीक है? Let's solve nearest 1000. अब हमको nearest 1000 निकालना है. कौन से नंबर का? 3892 का. ठीक है, we have to find out the nearest 100 of 3892. Now look here, nearest 1000 is what? This is your 1, 10, 100 and 1000. So nearest is 1000 place. 1000 place के पास वाला कौन सा place है? 100 place है. Now we have to observe which number? The number, this number. ठीक है, 1000 place के पहले वाले सारे numbers को पकड़ लो. And if it is more than 500, we want 5 at the nearest to the 1000 place. Sorry, हाँ yes. 1000 प्लेस के बाजू में जो हमारा प्लेस है, कौन सा प्लेस है? 100 प्लेस. 100 प्लेस पे या तो 5 चाहिए तो 5 से बड़ा चाहिए. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? द नंबर फॉर्म बाय दैट बॉक्स, दैट मीन्स द प्लेस विच प्लेस 100, 10 एंड 1। ये तीनों प्लेस को मिला करके या तो वो 500 या तो फिर 500 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज इफ देर इज 5 एट दी 100 प्लेस, so the number formed by this 3 digit is 500 or more than 500। ओके, तो अगर 5 रहा तो राउंडेड अप हो जाएगा, so we will write 3 zeros and 3 will become 4। 3 को पुश करके 4 कर देंगे, and that's why it is 4000। राउंडेड अप होगा because there is 8। look here, okay, now look here, 5380, 3 rounded down, so we will write 5000। ओके, बस आपको यहाँ पे राउंडिंग ऑफ करना है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एस्टिमेटेड सम ऑफ दिस नंबर, सो जस्ट एड इट। 5 plus 4 gives us 9, so it is 9000। ओके, नाउ फाइंड आउट द एग्जैक्ट सम। अब एग्जैक्ट सम निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे, विल टेक द नंबर्स एज इट इज, टेक नंबर एज इट इज 3892, 3892, एड विथ 5380, 5380, there is 2, 9 plus 9, sorry, 9 plus 8, 17, so we will write 7 here, 1 will be carried forward to the 100 place, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, so we will write 2 here, again carry forward 1, 5 plus 4 gives us 9, so it is 9272, 9272. In this way you can find out the nearest 10, sorry, in this way we can find out the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 of numbers, and from this rounding of the numbers we will find the estimated sum and exact sum। तो आपको बताइए कि हम लोग डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। So quickly note down in your book, okay, I said book, this question is at page number 30, okay, it is available on page number 30। अगर आपका लिखकर नहीं हुआ है so please quickly note down in your notebook, sorry, in the book, फटाफट से लिख लो, then we will solve the questions of horizontal method। okay, there is a question C, check the answers, उसमें बहुत easy है, you have to add the numbers। ठीक है, बस आपको ऐड करके ऊपर लिखना है और ऐड करके नीचे लिखना है, बहुत easy है वो। just try to solve your questions। I think I given the homework this question, okay, I given the homework। quickly note down and solve some more questions okay, quickly click a screenshot। let's solve the question number E of exercise 2.1। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर E जो है वो हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं, and that is add horizontally। ठीक है, please note down these questions in notebook and you have to solve this question as it is in your book also। ठीक है, बट आपको ये क्वेश्चंस आपके नोटबुक में लिखना ही है, और आपके बुक में भी यही सेम क्वेश्चन है, you have to write down the answers directly in your book। ठीक है, I want this question in book and notebook, दोनों में चाहिए। okay, so let's take a first question, that is 48 plus 21, add horizontally। in this method what we will do, we will directly add the numbers horizontally। what is horizontal method? This is the horizontal method, directly we have to solve the answers। okay, and there is another method, that is a vertical method। in vertical method what we have to do, we will take these numbers, we will write in column and then we will add। okay, but here we can't write these numbers in column, so how can we add them? look at this, the 1 is at the 1's place and 2 is at the 10th place। okay, this 8 is present on 1's place and 4 is at the 10th place, so how can we add them? we will add the digit which is present on 1's and 1's, means what, we will add both the digits which is at 1's place, so add them, add it, 8 plus 1 gives us 9, okay, then this 4 is at the 10th place and 2 is at the 10th place, so 4 plus 2 gives us 6, so the answer is 69। okay, we will add both the digits which are present on 1's, we will add the digit at the 10th, and if there is 100 place, अगर 100 place में भी कोई digit रहा तो हम लोग उन दोनों को ऐड करके भी यहाँ पर आंसर लिख देंगे। okay, let's take a second one, this is your 1, 10, 1 and the 10th, so add the digits at the 1's place, so 7 plus 4 gives us 11। ठीक है, so can we write 11 directly? no, 11 is 2 digit number, that's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carry forward to the 10th place. और 1 क्या होगा, carry forward हो जाएगा 10th place पर. Remember, okay, if there is any regrouping, so regrouped it. Now add the digit at the 10th place. So 3 plus 1 gives us 4, and the 1 which is carry forwarded, that is 3 plus 1 4, and that is 5. The answer is 51. Understood? Okay. Now here, let's third question. Look carefully. 6 at the 1, this is your 10, this is your 100, this is 1 and this is 10. Now look here. Add the digit which is at 1's place. 5 plus 6 gives us 11. Huh? Yes, 11. So we will write 1 here, and 1 will be carried forward at the 10th place. You can write here or you can write here, anywhere. Okay. Now add 1 plus 4 gives us 5, and 5 plus 1 gives us 6. So we will write 6 here. Okay. Now here there is no digit at the 100 place, that means there is 0, and here is 3. So 3 plus 0 gives us 3, or we can write 3 directly here. So the answer is 361. Okay. In this way we can add the numbers horizontally. Let's solve some more questions. Okay. Look at here. This is 1s, 10s, 100. 1s, 10s and the 100. Okay. So add the digit at the 1s and 1s. These two digits are present on the 1s place, so add them. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 gives us 8 हो गया. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Okay. So can I write 13 here? No. ठीक है. हमको भी यहाँ पर 1, 10, 100 का ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. So can I write 13 at the 1s place? No, it is not possible. So we will write 3. हम लोग सिर्फ 3 लिखेंगे, and 1 will be carry forwarded to the 10th place. मैंने 1 carry forward कर दिया. Now add the digit at the 10th place. 4 plus 2 gives us 6, and 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So I will write 7 at the 10th place. Okay. Now add 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So that is 370. Wait. Okay. 373 is the answer of fourth question. Okay. Let's solve this question now. Add 0 plus 9 gives us 9. 8 plus 7 gives us 15. So I will write 5 here, and 1 will be carried forward to the 100 place. Okay. Then 4 plus 3 gives us 7, and 7 plus 1 gives us 8. So it is 859. बहुत easy है. Let's solve this one. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Okay. 2 plus 1 gives us 3, and 5 plus 7 gives us 7 plus 5 gives us 12. Okay. So I will write 12 directly here. That is 1232. This is the answer of sixth question. Okay. Let's solve this one. This is 1, 10, 100, 1, 10, and the 100. So add the digits of 1's place. 1's place में कौन कौन सा digit है? 8 and 1 and 8. So add 1 and 8, you will get 9. 9 plus 4 gives us 13. So I will write 3 here, and 1 will be carried forwarded to the 100 place. Okay. Okay. Now 3 plus 1 gives us 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 539. In this way we can add the numbers horizontally. I am telling the question number 8. ठीक है. Question number 8 का जो आंसर है, and that is 942. ठीक है. इसका आंसर 942 है. 942 is the answer of 8th one, and 9th question is 625 plus 222 and gives us 847. And this answer, 9th question is 847. So quickly note down these questions in notebook and write down these answers in your book also. Book में भी लिखो. ठीक है. Okay. Click a screenshot. Click screenshot or pause the video and note down. So let's solve the word problem which is given on page number 31. That is exercise 2.2. There are 4 questions. Out of 4 questions, I am solving 2 questions. ठीक है. And the rest of the 2 questions are homework for you. Okay. So let's solve the first question. What is the first question? Okay. The first question is Rohit had a collection of 2346 stamps. That means रोहित के पास कितने स्टैम्प्स का कलेक्शन है? 2346 स्टैम्प्स का है, ठीक है. His brother gave him 1999 stamps. उसके भाई ने क्या किया? 1999 स्टैम्प्स और उसे दे दिए. किसको? रोहित को. How many stamps does Rohit have now? Means how many total number of stamps Rohit have? अब पहले उसके पास कितने थे? 2346 स्टैम्प्स रोहित ऑलरेडी हैव एंड हिज ब्रदर गिव और दे दिया. कितने दे दिया? 1999. सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स. ठीक है, रोहित हैव. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल जस्ट ऐड 2346 and 1999 stamps. So that will be the answer. But first of all, we will write the statements from the given information. So what is the statement of? I am writing the answers directly. Okay, मैं आंसर डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूँ. Note down in your notebook. आपको ये नोटबुक में लिखना है. Okay, so Rohit had a collection of 2346. So we can write Rohit have a collection of 2346 stamps. Okay, this is a first statement. ये हमारा first statement हो गया. Then we will write his brother gave him 1999 stamps. ठीक है, his brother gave or gave whatever gave him, यहाँ पर had कर दो. Okay, had a collection of 2346 stamps and his brother gave him 1999 stamps. There is a two statements. I have written these are two statements and this statement I have taken from the information which is given in the question. क्वेश्चन में जो हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है वही क्वेश्चन में से ही इन्फॉर्मेशन से हम लोगों को ये स्टेटमेंट लिखना है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन. दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन टू अस. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट? टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स. ठीक है, पूरे टोटल मिला के स्टैम्प्स कितने हैं? सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट? वी विल ऐड देम. किसको? 2346 प्लस 1999. Just add it. 9 plus 6 gives us 15. Okay, 9 plus 6 gives us 15. So I will write 5 here. 1 will be carried forwarded to the 10th place. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 4 gives us 14. And that's why we will write here 4 and 1 will be carried forward to the 100th place. 9 plus 1 again 10. 10 plus 3 gives us 13. So I will write 3 over here and 1 will be carried forward to the 1000th place. 4. Done. So 4345. These are the total number of stamps Rohit have. Okay. So we will write the final answer here. What will be the final answer? Rohit has 4345 stamps. This is the final answer of your word problem. Okay, quickly note down in your book, sorry, in your notebook. Quickly note down in your notebook. Then we will solve the question number 2. Okay, or maybe question number 3 हम लोग solve कर लेंगे. ठीक है, so quickly click a screenshot and note down in your notebook. I said notebook. Okay, let's solve the question number 2. Okay, so see the question. A fact, it is on page number 31. ठीक है, see the question. A factory manufactured 75,850 cars in 2010. 2010 में कितनी cars बनी? 75,850. Okay, then in 2011 it manufactured 38,000 more cars. ध्यान से समझो. ठीक है, in 2011 it manufactured 38,000 more cars. 38,000 और ज़्यादा कार बनाई. How many cars did it manufactured in 2011? Okay, look properly. What is the question? A factory manufactured 75,850 cars in 2010. 2010 में कितनी cars बनी? 75,850. ठीक है. 2011 में it manufactured 38,000 more cars. 2011 में 38,000 यानी कि 38,000 ज़्यादा कार बनाई गई पहले की तुलना में. मतलब 2011 में पहले जितनी बनी थी उससे भी कितनी ज़्यादा बनी? 38,000. Now we have to find out the total number of cars in 2011. So what we will do? We will add these two numbers so that we will get the number of cars manufactured in 2011. Okay, बहुत easy है. So let's write the statement of question 2. Write answers directly in your notebook. ठीक है? And you properly write down exercise 2.2 at the upper side, question number 2 answer, or you can write the questions too. ठीक है? Questions भी लिख सकते हो. So let's solve the question. What is given to us? A factory manufactured A factory manufactured 75,850 cars in 2010. ठीक है. 2009 में कितनी कार बनी? 75,850. Okay. Then the next statement is, what is the next statement? Where is that? Okay. In 2011, factory manufactured 38,000 more cars. अब क्या हो गया? 2011 में 38,000 ज्यादा कार बनाई गई. ठीक है. So total number of cars manufactured in 2011 is, add these two numbers, 75850 and the 38,000, 38,000. Okay, now add. This is your 1, 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, 0 plus 0 gives us 0. 5 plus 0 gives us 5, है ना? 5 आएगा. Okay, 8 and 0 gives us 8. Now 8 plus 5 gives us 13. Okay, so I will write 3 here and 1 will be carried forward to the 10,000 place. 7 plus 3 gives us 10 and 10 plus 1 gives us 11. So I will write directly 11 here. It is 11,300. No, sorry, wait, it is wrong. It is 1,13,850. 1,13,850 cars. So I will write the final answer. I am writing here. You have to write down downside. Okay, what we will write the final answer? Factory. This is the final answer. Factory manufactured 1,13,850 cars in 2011. This is your final answer. You have to note down this answer just below this addition. इसके नीचे लिखना है. ठीक है? Don't write here. I don't have any space here. That's why I written here. Okay, so quickly note down in your notebook. Okay, look at the question number 3 on page number 31 and question number 4. Okay, आई एम टेलिंग यू द इन्फॉर्मेशन, ठीक है, मैं आपको फटाक से समझा देता हूँ, बट यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस 2 क्वेश्चन, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. सो लेट्स सी, ओनली 2 minutes, okay, please give me only 2 minutes. A farmer bought a pump set, ठीक है, bought a pump set. He paid 58,960 from his saving and he borrowed 49,750 from the bank to pay for the pump set. What is the cost of pump set? Okay, look here. एक फार्मर ने क्या किया है, पंप सेट खरीदा है एंड ही पेड 58,960. उसने 58,960 रुपीज कहाँ से दिया, अपने सेविंग से दे दिया, ठीक है. ही पेड फ्रॉम हिज सेविंग एंड ही बोरो. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ बोरो, लोन लेना, ठीक है. ही टेक 49,750 रुपीज फ्रॉम बैंक. उसने और क्या किया, 49,750 रुपीज बैंक से भी ले लिया टू पे फॉर द पंप सेट. अब पंप सेट खरीदने के लिए उसने क्या क्या किया, देखो ध्यान से, ठीक है. 58,960 रुपीज अपने पास से दिया, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम हिज सेविंग, एंड उसने बैंक से लोन भी लिया 49,750 का. किसके लिए ये दोनों अमाउंट पेड किया गया, फॉर अबाउट अ पंप सेट खरीदने के लिए. सो व्हाट विल बी द कॉस्ट ऑफ पंप सेट, बहुत इजी है. जो पैसे इसने अपने पास से दिए थे, दैट मीन्स द सेविंग एंड द अमाउंट ही बोरो फ्रॉम द बैंक, ठीक है. हम लोग दोनों अमाउंट को क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे एंड वी विल गेट द total the cost of pump set. Okay, understand? You can write down the statement as you wish. That means you can write the statement in your own language. ठीक है, आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में भी इससे लिख सकते हो. It is not necessary to use a language of book only. बुक का कीड़ा नहीं बनना है, ठीक है. Understand? What is question number 3? Question number 3 में क्या करना है, addition of that 2 quantities. Okay. Now look at the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Sanjana's car cost is 4,56,850. Look at this. There are 2 commas. ठीक है, जब 2 कॉमास रहते हैं तो हम लोग नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, यस, लैख से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो इट इज संजना's कार कॉस्ट 4,56,850. अब संजना की कार की कॉस्ट कितनी है, 4,56,850. नाउ रंजना's कार कॉस्ट 3,80,500 मोर देन संजना's कार. अब रंजना की कार की कॉस्ट कितनी है, 3,80,500 है क्या, नहीं, 3,80,500 मोर देन विच, संजना's कार. संजना की कार से उतनी और ज्यादा है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ रंजना's कार. तो संजना की कार की कॉस्ट कितनी है, 4,56,850. और रंजना की कार की कॉस्ट कितनी है, संजना की कार की कॉस्ट से 3,80,500 ज्यादा है. So we have to find out the cost of Ranjana's car. So what we will do, we will add these 2 quantities. That means हम लोग दोनों numbers को add कर देंगे. So we will get the cost of Ranjana's car. ठीक है, देखो, if I say the cost of pen is 5 rupees, ठीक है, the cost of pen is 5 rupees and the cost of marker is 5 more than 10. 5 और ज्यादा है पेन के. तो अगर हम लोगों को कॉस्ट निकालनी है मार्कर की, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 5 तो रखेंगे ही रखेंगे और 5 ऐड कर देंगे. सो व्हाट विल द कॉस्ट ऑफ मार्कर, 10 रुपीज. 5 मोर देन, देयर इज अ मोर देन, जहां पर भी मोर देन आता है हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसको ऐड कर देते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इन योर नोटबुक. थैंक यू सो मच एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट योर रिविजन, वी विल रिवाइज. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे एंड बाय बाय.